Hi, today we're going to be planting succulents, and I'm going to see how to propagate them. And I have a lot of people asking how to do it, and if it's hard, and if you need to do cuttings or anything. So it's very easy. You get, if you see some succulent that you like let's say this one, we're going to use this one as an example, and we're going to just grab some leaves and snap it from the bottom nicely. You can also have succulents, sometimes you see that they grow and the leaves fall out, but they're not dry, they're like this, they're nice and healthy, so you can use those. So I'm gonna put away the plant. You get a potting soil in a pot, and you just lay them like this on the top, like this, on the pot, and make sure your pot, your soil is moist all the time. So I'm just gonna lay them down like this and keep it in my nursery. Even if it's hot, whenever it's hot, I keep the greenhouse open, but it's still in my nursery. And then I spray over a little bit, keep the soil moist. Some people say you have to keep it in a box or in a dry place, something like that. I know that works perfect, and I'll show you what comes out after that. Okay, so this is the ones that I already planted. What happens after you put them like this, they're gonna develop small flowers. And when they sit by themselves without a potting soil, they like this. They don't have any roots, and they're just like this. But when they sit in a potting soil, they develop roots like this, and you see already ready plant. The leaf from that plant already dried out, and I just took it out. And here there's a new baby plant. You can already plant this in a separate pot, and that's what you have. Okay, let's take another one. There's a bunch over here, and they have already roots nicely. I'm just gonna pull them out like this, show it to you here. Those are the roots. You let them see, like it has three flowers here. 1, 2, 3. Don't pull them out now. You would want to keep them growing, and then once they're like nice and bigger, and you can totally tell them apart, then you can separate them and put them separate in a different pots, or even in a one big pot. Okay, so like this one has already here the roots of this one. And what's gonna happen, see the root system is going right here. What's gonna happen once they developed already roots, when they're already bigger and have stronger system, then this part of the leaf is gonna dry, and you can get rid of it, and that's it. And that's how easy that is. So that can take, it's up to you. If you want to use some kind of fertilizer after they're gonna develop roots, you can add some fertilizer. Otherwise, potting soil has everything that it needs. Just keep spraying, mist or shower, and using just a regular water, and keep it in a warm place, and that's what you get. You get nice succulents. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please click like and share and subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos. Thank you. Happy growing.